Look at this neat new toy. Even got a radio to it. Anyway, this is a 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. This is Tim. I'm doing an expansion valve on here. I've already took it off, but I'll walk you through it, and I will show you putting it back on, so that kind of help you out. I just now thought about getting the camera, but it's back here in the back. You got two T25 to take off the expansion valve itself, and you have a, let's see here, a T45 to take off the bolts for your two lines right here. These are two lines right here. So you just take out the two lines and take off the two torques in the middle there. And the new one will be, well, this is a Murray 39260. So of course I always match them up, make sure they're right. But I'll you take your top off here, which is an exciting thing in its own. Undo it right here, and of course your two screws right out here on the side. That's what it looks like. And you're gonna just kind of pull up on it. They're in here on these right here. This one, this one, this one, and this one. And spray it down with some WD-40 when you're done, because they will feel like they're stuck. They feel like you're doing something wrong, but you're not. Just pry up on it after you undo this clamp here. Anyway, I'm gonna put it back on, and I will show you doing that. All right, put it in just like this. I mean, I don't think you could put it in backwards, but if there was a way, somebody would find it. So put it in just like this with your little UFO looking thing on top, and it's just gonna push in here. It just pushes in, and you feel it kind of click like that, and then put one of your screws in like that, and the other screw in like that. And just make sure it lines up. Kind of go real slow. Let's see if it starts. Did the other one. And then go back and torque them down. All right, now we're gonna put the lines on. Of course, just match them up corresponding with the well, that's pretty much it. Put your bolt in and start it. Definitely not rocket science. The hardest part I had was taking this stupid thing off the engine, the cover. It's crazy. Let's put it down and torque it. Okay, next, give it a good vacuum. I'm gonna pull mine down to about 20. And then after you vacuum it for about 20 minutes, shut your gauges off, let it sit for about 10 minutes and make sure this doesn't go down. If this don't move, then you know there's no leaks. And then start reassembling everything. All right, before the low side was going really, really high, and the high side was really low. So it showed me there was a restriction. So let's see that expansion valve work. Before this was at 60 degrees. Let's see what we can get it to. I think the customer will be happy with freezing. Of course, this might be a little bit different, but I'm sure it's in the 30s. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.